We're going to link the plan. Okay. Now we arrive at the waterfall and now and we have lunch. After that, go to take some pictures. Nếu từ dân nhập bài ngày tròn nói dân mình từ hot tập lẹ lên nơi là nơi nước trong dân không có học nhiều tài liệu cái we arrive at the place we have been land after that take some picture video at the dance.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my show. Today with my family at Thác Nhơn waterfall at Laos, Pakse city. Anyone have ever been there? After having lunch, I'm gonna go to take some picture and recording a video for all of you guys. But right now we really enjoy for our lunch time. Yeah, the food and everything so fresh, tastes good, delicious. Even pork, yeah, and papaya and some vegetable and everything so nice. Yeah, the food is absolutely nice. I really enjoy the taste.
Everybody, come on! After we have lunch, now we go to see the waterfall. You? Wow! Wow!
Okay, everybody, it's a beautiful waterfall at Thác Nhơn waterfall. If you can step down, very high is the waterfall. Everybody can see over here. Yeah, I just look around and take some picture. After that, I'm gonna show you more in Laos city called Pakse. Yeah, but on ourទឹកជ្រោះយ៉ាងម៉េចដែរទឹកជ្រោះនៅThác Nhơn waterfall កន្លែងនេះកន្លែងគេញ៉ាំបាយហើយទៅម្ហូបគេឆ្ងាញ់ទទួលស្គាល់ថាម្ហូបគេឆ្ងាញ់ជាពិសេសសាច់ជ្រូកគេចាសាច់ជ្រូកគេហ្នឹងជាមួយបុកល្ហុងវាប្លែកមិនមែនជាបែបបុកល្ហុងថៃទេបុកល្ហុងឡាវតែមានរសជាតិឆ្ងាញ់មកគេចាហើយបន្តិចទៀតនេះខ្ញុំនឹងទៅតែហូបទឹកស្អាតហើយគឺទៅញ៉ាំបាយគេល្ងាចចាទៅញ៉ាំ steak នៅមាត់ទន្លេ Yeah. After this, I'm gonna go to the hotel and take some shower. Going to have dinner at the river view with the big steak. Yeah, at delicious steak. A lot of everybody really like it. Oh my god! Yeah. So let's go with me, everyone.
Okay, now we arrive. Like to stay tonight at Laos. We call it Pakse city, and we're gonna go take the swimming, then go out dinner. Okay?
Yeah, this place is very popular for the tourists and local people. Very they come here. They have a like band music. You can listen to the music and order some food. Especially we can see the big bridge over in the Pakse city. But at night time I cannot take in so dark. You see that? Yeah. So everybody gonna order steak tonight. Yeah, and a lot of salad. It's okay. Tastes good. Yeah, it tastes good. Yeah. So everybody ចុះបងប្អូនកន្លែងនេះគឺជាកន្លែង restaurant ល្បីគេណានៅ Pakse នៅមាត់ទន្លេយើងអាចមើលឃើញស្ពានស្អាតនៅពេលល្ងាចតែយកហើយខ្ញុំថតទៅវាអត់ឃើញច្បាស់ទេព្រោះវាអត់មានពន្លឺចាហើយឥឡូវនេះនាំគ្នាញ៉ាំបាយហើយគឺដល់ម៉ោងសម្រាប់ស្អែកយើងបន្តដំណើរទៅមុខទៀត Thank you for watching everybody. See you my next video. អរគុណបងប្អូនដែលតាមដានទស្សនាវីដេអូនេះខ្ញុំជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយៗទៀតអូខេចា៎ជម្រាបលា